Okay guys, today is 06/15. We are here with Mr. John. We just did his house. We finished it up, just put some furniture back. And I'd like to show you guys the job we did. In here was 6x42, right? 6x42 is a wood, like wood plank. So Mr. John, what do you have to say to our customer about our job, our company? You recommend us?
I'd highly recommend these guys. GB Tile did a great job. I really loved the quality. They were friendly the whole way, and they took really good care of me, and their guys were top notch. Thank you.
Okay, I appreciate it. If you guys need us, we can do a free estimate at 754-366-1565. Mr. John, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.